The 7 sectors driving tech growth in New Zealand. New Zealand's tech industry is growing thanks to strong government support, startup innovation, and rising digital adoption. Several key sectors are helping position the country as a global technology hub. Fintech growth in New Zealand is being fueled by supportive regulations, open banking, and rising demand for seamless digital payments. Businesses are increasingly adopting SME-focused financial tools, while digital wallets continue replacing physical payment methods. Accounting platform Xero remains one of the country's biggest fintech success stories. Agritech is modernizing farming through robotics, drones, automation, and precision agriculture. Farmers are using real-time data to improve productivity and reduce waste. Software as a service continues to dominate the local tech landscape because of its scalability and cost efficiency. Major SaaS companies include Pushpay and Datacom, both of which provide business and financial management solutions. Gaming is growing quickly through independent studios and cloud gaming. Grinding Gear Games, creator of Path of Exile, highlights the sector's global success. Artificial intelligence is supporting industries including healthcare, finance, logistics, and banking. Businesses are using AI to improve decision-making, create scalable software models, and develop new business opportunities. Growing cyber threats are increasing demand for cybersecurity services, including fraud prevention, privacy protection, and digital security. Government-backed grants, incubators, and startup programs continue supporting innovation and strengthening New Zealand's expanding tech ecosystem.
Go to GearBrain for more information.